Begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional assistance with that task. You do not need to remove the wheel well liner to perform this task. We have done so to give us a little more room. Support the wheel carrier with your floor jack, red arrow. In order to remove the tension on the ball joint, use your floor jack to raise and level the upper control arm. Remove the 18mm nut holding the ball joint to the wheel carrier, red arrow. During installation, this will be tightened to 85 Nm or 63 foot-pounds. Use a ball joint spreader and separate the ball joint from the wheel carrier, red arrow. Be sure not to cut or damage the rubber cover on the ball joint. Return the floor jack to its original supported position. You will disconnect the drop link from the strut. Remove the upper nut by using an 18mm wrench to hold the bolt, blue arrow, and another 18mm wrench to turn the nut. Slide the drop link out from the strut. During installation, this will be tightened to 60 Nm or 44 foot-pounds. There is an electrical line that runs down the wheel carrier, which is held in place by a friction fit along with a mounting point and two electrical connections. Disconnect the brake pad sensor electrical connection by using a flathead screwdriver and gently rotating in the release tab indicated by the red arrow. Disconnect the wheel speed sensor electrical connection by using a flathead screwdriver and gently rotating in the release tab. Open the hood and locate the top of the shock mount. There is a holder for the PDCC reservoir, blue arrow, that blocks the top of the shock mount. Remove the 10mm nut and screws, red arrows, and set the holder aside. During installation, this will be tightened to 12 Nm or 9 foot-pounds. Remove the three 16mm nuts holding the top of the shock mount, red arrows. Be sure to note the original position of the pull ring seating and clean any debris you find, blue arrow. You're going to want to get your alignment reset once you do this. During installation, these will be tightened to 60 Nm or 44 foot-pounds. Use two 22mm wrenches and remove the lower control arm from the front shock, red arrows. During installation, this will be tightened to 150 Nm or 111 foot-pounds plus 90 degrees. With everything disconnected, you can now position the wheel carrier out of the way, red arrow. Be sure to position the wheel carrier towards the side with the brake line as not to put any stress on the line, blue arrow. Lower and slide out the front shock from the wheel well, green arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.